What time did you go to sleep last night?
I don't even remember. I just fell asleep. I was so tired. Maybe 8 or 9.
So you spoke to your family?
A little, yeah.
Not yet?
A little.
You did?
Yeah.
Do we trim out all your hair?
What do you suggest?
That's the best thing to do.
Yeah, okay.
But a lot of scarring, like a battlefield. Hair have grown very well. The only thing is now they're thinning.
Yeah.
Because you're not on finesse job.
I'll get back on it.
Yeah, you should go back on at least for a year.
I say the main thing most of these surgeons don't tell you is the thing you need to know the most, and that's that one procedure is not going to do it.
Yeah, it never does. So we'll be putting you face down now. Okay. First I'll do the harvesting like last time. Okay. Then we'll turn you around for the beard. Okay. So don't touch the green part of the sheet. Your only head will touch. Just confine your hands to the white part. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So it's sterile. Okay. Come move up further and arms by the side of your body. Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
If you're feeling cold, let me know. I'll give you a blanket. Okay. So that's it. Was it very painful?
No.
No? Anesthesia is given. So you completed 68 or you're 67 still? Completed? When's your birthday? When are you going to be 69? December? Okay. So you just turned 68. You have a wonderful donor area. No matter how many grafts we extract, there's still hair left. Yeah. God giveth and He taketh away.
You take away.
I mean, God giveth in the donor area, but He taketh away from the top.
Why did you need the beard to go on?
Beard is required because it's not so many. From the scarred area, I don't want to take from here. I will only take from here on the sides. Otherwise, this area has got almost depleted now. This area. This area has a lot of hair. This area also has a lot of hair.
I would rather have a little sparse on the side
Yeah.
and no scalp showing on the top.
Yeah.
Light on it.
Yes, that's what we are aiming for now. So you had, how many FUTs you had?
4.
4 FUTs and 1 punch grafting.
Or the 3 if you
3 FUTs and 1 punch grafting. And 1 procedure before with me, 5, and now the 6th. 6th procedure. You're a hair transplant veteran.
I think Stevenson
We
had
should give you the pink heart for hair transplants. Any pain here?
No.
we will essentially confine ourselves to the sides. Any pain here?
Very little.
Very little? Good. Because the numbing cream has been put earlier.
The what?
The numbing cream. So you don't feel so much pain once the numbing cream has been put. Can't see
With your
any.
glasses? Not even with your glasses?
Yeah, there is little bit one can make out, but it's very minor.
Know what I'm saying? You see where all the hairs are, right?
Yes, that's what we see. You okay? No pain?
Okay.
Pain there?
I'll let you know if there's pain. I used to have a dentist when I was a kid. He said, if it hurt, he said, hit me.
Here?
Somewhat.
Anesthesia. We have to do we're doing hair transplant on you now. So anesthesia has to be given along the hairline
For the placement?
for the recipient area, the placement. Your hair have grown very well.
Yeah.
You're a good, healthy person.
If we can only get
No,
that,
don't
that
touch
one
that.
place to grow out of.
Yeah.
To me, it'll look perfect.
Yes. Now the next hair transplant will be after 10 years. Now my daughter's in this field, so she keeps meeting doctors now. I just keep in touch with old friends, that's all.
Where you are now, it seems close to the
Yes,
hairline.
just behind the hairline. I'm adding a few grafts there as well. Then I'll move back.